I want to take care of one objective question on partnership accounts. Look at this one. Kiran and Rekha are partners in a firm. The proportion of their capital is 5:4. Notice that you are given the proportion of capital but not the profit sharing ratio. Rekha is to be given 5% commission on the profit after deducting her commission. If the profit of the firm at the end of the year is 31,290, what total amount should Rekha get? Now Rekha gets commission as well as share in profit. So commission plus share in profit makes the total income for Rekha. Let us first work out the commission, then share in profit. Here I am going to calculate commission in two ways. Suppose that profit after commission is 100. After giving commission, profit, suppose that's 100. Commission at the rate of 5% on 100, 5 is the commission. So profit before commission will be 105. If 105 is the profit before commission, then 5 is the commission. How much for? 31,290. So 31,290 into 5 divided by 105. You get a commission of 1490. The same answer you can get by applying the formula. I am going to give you the formula for that and we will get the same answer. Notice it. Rekha's commission is equal to net profit into rate of commission divided by 100 plus rate of commission. So Rekha's commission, net profit 31,290 into 5 divided by 100 plus 5, so 105. We come to the same answer, that is 1490. So this formula you can apply, or you can apply this ratio proportion and you will get the same answer. Now what is the divisible profit after Rekha's commission? The total profit before commission minus commission. So 31,290 minus 1490 commission. This is the divisible profit. This divisible profit should be distributed in the ratio of 5:4. No, it's a capital ratio. And if you are not given the profit sharing ratio, it is taken to be equal. Here the profit sharing ratio is not given, so according to the Partnership Act 1932, partners shall distribute the profits equally. So this balance profit 29,800 will be distributed equally. So share of Rekha is 1/2 in 29,800, that amounts to 14,900. So total income of Rekha is share in profit plus commission. Share in profit 14,900 plus commission 1490. This is the total income of Rekha, which has been questioned to us in the example, that is 16,390 is the income of Rekha, which includes her half share in profit and commission. I think you have followed this sum. Thanks to all of you.